Hi guys, and welcome back to another Recovery Mark video. In this video, we are going to be restoring and refreshing an old Xbox 360. According to the label on the back, this is the 3rd generation Xbox 360, also well known as Jasper. It's more reliable Xbox 360 than previous generations because it's got a 65nm processor and there are fewer chances to get your console overheated. So if you ask me which one you should pick up, I would definitely recommend you to buy Jasper or search for an Xbox Slim. Here I've got a picture that can help you to define which Xbox 360 you've got. The shell of this console was pretty damaged, so there is no way I will deal with this, so I'm just gonna replace it with a new one. So first I'm gonna take this Xbox apart, and lucky me, this console is in pretty good shape and it's not covered with insects or mold, and it just took me 10 minutes to get this console apart because there are only 6 long screws which hold the plastic shell. Then comes the front panel, which has a power button, and I shouldn't have talked about insects because here they are, as always. I don't know why the hell these guys so much love to live inside game consoles. If you know why, leave a comment down below. Then we need to unplug the power supply cable and data cable from the DVD drive. Don't forget that old electronics are, first of all, old electronics. So you gotta be careful with plastic because it's really easy to break something. But likely I managed it without breaking any parts. Then comes the fan, and all we need to do is just to pry it off with the plastic tool. Then pull it a little and gently lift it up. Then let's unscrew all of the screws from the back that hold the motherboard, and it's good to go. This is Tofu. She likes to lay on the table while I'm fixing something. In this part you have to be patient and careful, because it's really easy to scratch the surface of the motherboard or to cut some logical elements from it. Be patient or you may face these cute lights of death, or your console simply won't turn on. You know what? I'm always looking for new ideas for my videos, and if you could leave me your thoughts about my future videos, it would really make my life easier. So I'm waiting for your comments. Cleaning, cleaning, and again cleaning. Usually I use paintbrush, iso alcohol, and cotton sticks. Also, this is a good chance to take the old DVD drive apart and clean it. I didn't clean it too much because it's not so dirty, but of course the lens needs to be clean. And there are thermal pads on the back that need to be replaced. After I put it back together and opened the box with a new shell. I had been thinking about the color of the shell for days, because there were lots of different colors and it was really hard to choose one. And I ended up with a black one. In my opinion, black will always be fashionable. Then I assembled all the parts back and replaced all white pieces with black ones. I'm going to jailbreak this Xbox and install a freeboot in the upcoming video, and make it run any games from the internal HDD. Wait a minute. There is no hard drive in this console. I will search on Taobao. There's gotta be something. I have got lots of comments such as, where did you buy this stuff and how can I get it? The answer is, I live in China and it's not a problem to find any parts for delicious prices. I can try to search on AliExpress because this online store has international shipments, but I cannot promise you that I will find it there. Ask me and I will try my best. Here is supposed to be a hard drive, but for now I will just close it with the cover panel. Then let's put the new screws, and there is one last thing to do. One thing that I love about ordering new parts for my console here in China, it's new stickers. It really gives a brand new look. So, this is it. I built a new Xbox 360 in 2021. And the funny part, that on sticker there is the date 2019. It's funny because Microsoft finished production in 2009. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.